Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today we are going to make sure our furry, four-legged friends have a clean environment too. Our pet bowl scrubber is two-sided. One side has a non-scratch scrubbing surface to get stuck on food, and the smooth side wipes up any excess mess. You can feel really good about using this scrubber and only water, because you definitely do not want to be cleaning your dog or cat's bowl out with a cleaning solution, especially because this is where you put their food. And we made it easy for you to keep the sponge separate from your regular dishes by making it into this fun bone shape. After each use, just rinse it out well and leave it to dry. The sponge can be washed in the washing machine with regular laundry detergent, no bleach, fabric softener or dryer sheets, and then put in the dryer. Thanks so much for watching, and give us a like and subscribe, and let us know your pet's name in the comments. See you soon.